Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a grid bot. Grid bots are automated trading tools designed to profit from market volatility by placing a series of buy and sell orders. They operate within a predefined price range, automatically buying when the price drops to a grid line and selling when it rises. This strategy is particularly effective in sideways or ranging markets, allowing you to capture small, consistent profits from price fluctuations. It's a hands-off approach once set up. Setting up your grid bot involves a few key steps. First, you'll define the upper and lower price boundaries for your trading range. Next, decide on the number of grids, which determines how many buy and sell orders the bot will place within that range. More grids mean denser order placement. You also need to allocate the capital for your bot, typically in both the base and quote currencies, ensuring sufficient funds for its operations. Finally, choose your grid spacing, either arithmetic or geometric. The core strategy of a grid bot is quite straightforward. When the price falls to a buy grid line, the bot automatically places a buy order. Conversely, when the price rises to a sell grid line, it executes a sell order. Each successful cycle aims to capture a small profit from the price difference between these grid lines. This method thrives in ranging markets where prices move within a defined channel. However, it's less suitable for strong, sustained trends without careful adjustments. To optimize your grid bot, regular monitoring is essential. Periodically review and adjust your price range to align with current market conditions, preventing the bot from becoming inactive. Consider implementing stop-loss orders to protect your capital from significant market downturns. If one of your assets experiences a substantial price change, rebalancing your bot's holdings can help maintain its effectiveness. Continuously observe its performance and make necessary tweaks to maximize its profitability over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.